Hola. Today I'd like you to imaginar that you have un amigo español and you tell him, I want to talk Spanish with you. Quiero hablar español contigo. So you agree to go for a drink, a beverage, una bebida, right? So you're en el café, you're having a nice zumo de naranja, and un momento is a moment, or un momento, one moment, un momento. So el momento arrives when you need to go to the toilet. This is vocabulario importante today. You need to know where is the toilet. The word for is, well, there are two words for is in Espanol. There's es, which just describes something, so you can say the food perhaps, es fantástica. Es means is. Es fantástica. Gracias. The other word for is está, and está is when you're saying what state something's in at this moment, or where something stands. So those are the two uses for está. And if you're asking where is the bathroom is el baño, you're going to use está for is, because you're asking where it stands. The word for where is dónde. It's a lovely word. Dónde, where, dónde. So where is the bathroom is dónde está el baño. So can you say, where's the bathroom, please? Please is por favor, so it's dónde está el baño, por favor, right? You get to el baño and there is un problema. You're lucky because you notice. So you come back out, you need to ask for toilet paper. Now, some things is okay to mime. If you want to say a drink, please, una bebida, that's an okay mime. Toilet paper is not an okay mime, so you need el vocabulario, right? And toilet paper is paper hygienic, that's what they call it, but hygienic paper hygienic. Paper is papel, that sounds good, doesn't it? Papel. And hygienic is hygiénico, right? Like hygienic. Hygiénico. The word starts with an H, but the H is mute in Espanol. They don't say it. So, papel higiénico, por favor. You get your papel higiénico, look at me, yeah? And you say, gracias. The two things I'd like you to learn from today are ¿Dónde está el baño? And papel higiénico. And there was one more thing, and that's the word for there, and I didn't tell you this. And it's a great word. Es un favorito mío. There or over there is allí. I love the way it sounds. Ye. It sounds so great, doesn't it? Ye. Allí means over there. So how do you ask, where's the bathroom, please? It's ¿Dónde está el baño, por favor? ¿Dónde está el baño, por favor? You get the answer, allí. You go, you find there's no toilet paper, so out you come and you're going to ask, toilet paper, please. Papel higiénico, por favor. You get your papel higiénico and you say gracias and off you go. Hasta mañana means until tomorrow, so hasta mañana. Adios.